Hi friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss a problem which is based on series. Omega equals to summation n equals to 0 into minus infinity minus 1 to the power n divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3. Okay, now we know that formula. We know one formula when a series is like this, summation n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power m minus 1 fm equals to, okay, noted this, very simple and very easy, 0 to infinity ft into e to the power t plus 1 dt. Okay, ft is equal to L inverse fm. ft is equal to L inverse fm. Okay, so according to the question, n equals to 1, okay, is equal to this, and here is given n equals to 0 to infinity. So I need to do this kind I will use this kind of application. So I will write this equation number 1. This is the equation number 1 I write. Okay, I write this equation as, if n equals to 1, then it will be 1 by 6 plus n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3. Okay, how I get 1 by 6? Let's see. I take n equals to 1 when n equals to 0. When n equals to 0, then minus 1 to the power 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 3. See this, and you will get minus 1 to the power 0 means 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into 6. Okay, yes, I hope it is clear how 1 by 6 is coming and plus 1 into minus 1 to the power n. But I have to write in this way, minus 1 to the power n minus 1, sorry, minus 1 to the power n minus 1 term. But here I see n, so I have to write this way, 1 by 6 minus summation n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n minus 1, okay, minus n minus n 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 to the power n can be written this way, minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into minus 1. I will write this way, and after that I write n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3. Okay, now this is the problem. This problem it can be written this way: 1 by 6 minus summation n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n minus 1. It can be written a divided by n plus 1. Okay, a divided by n plus 1 plus b divided by n plus 2 plus c divided by 2n plus 1 plus d divided by 2n plus 3. Okay, no problem, because I use partial fraction. Partial fraction, you know how to do. Okay, how can I do this partial fraction? Very easy. Now I have to find out a values. How can I find out? N equals to plus 1, so n equals to minus 1. I will put this value, this in this term. So minus 1 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 3. Okay, this is the technique, very easy technique, but but this is the first way. How can I find out a? So it is 1 and it is minus 1 and it is 1. So the value of the a is equal to minus 1. Okay, no problem. B is equal to value of the b. Value of b is equal to 1 divided by, here put n equals to minus 2. I will remove this term. I put in 3 terms. I put minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 and minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 3. Okay, so I get minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 1. Whatever I get minus 1 by 3. Again I will give, I have to find out c. C is equal to n is equal to minus half. Okay, putting this value. Okay, I will put to this value. C is equal to minus half. So minus half plus 1 minus half plus 2 minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 divided by half into 3 by 2 into 2. Okay, 2 cut, then c is equal to, I get 2 by 3. Okay, any doubt? I think no doubt this question, very simple. C is equal to, and d is equal to, I get, how can I find out d? D is equal to, when I have to find out d, then n equals to minus 3 by 2. So I get, how can I get? I put the value minus 3 by 2 in both sides. So minus 3 by 2 plus 1, this multiplication. Okay, I remove this 2n plus 3. This portion I remove. I take my minus 3 by 2, n equals to minus 3 by 2, this portion I put, when I 2n plus 3 I use. So n equals to, here minus 3 by 2. In case of 2n plus 3, when n plus 1, then in case of I put in the value minus 1, these 3 values. Okay, simple. I just put minus 3 by 2 into plus 2, and I get minus 3 plus 1, 1 is equal to half into 1 by 2 into minus 2. Whatever I get cut this value, I cut and I get 2. I get minus 2. So D equals to minus 2. Simple, very simple. Now I write omega is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, see this 1 by 6 minus summation n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n minus 1, and a value I put, a value means minus 1, so minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, minus n plus 1. B value means, B value I get minus 1 by 3 into n plus 2. B value. And C value means C is equal to 2 by 3. So I write is this way. C value means 3 divided by n plus half. And D value means, D value I get minus 2. So I can write minus 1 into n plus 3 by 2. I can write this way. Please attention, please is anywhere and check all the papers. Okay, if any doubt, any questions, please ask. Okay, everything should be asked. Any doubt, any calculation mistakes? I think this here minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, any doubt must be asked. Okay, any doubt, if you feel any doubt, n plus 3 by 2, n plus 3 by 2, everything's okay. Checking. I hope you will check everything's. Now start again. I just put minus 3 by 2 in here, minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, sorry, in here I made mistake, minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So it is minus half. This is minus half, and minus 3 by 2 plus 2 means this is half and minus 2. So this value is plus. Okay, and I will get this value. Okay, any kind of calculation mistakes? I think that there is a one some I made one mistake. Okay, here the value is minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, minus 3 into n plus 2 plus 1 by 3 n plus half plus 1 by n plus 3 by 2. Okay, thank you. Now go, and I will go another page number 2. Okay, page number 2 I get. So I is equal to, I can write this summation n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 by n to the power n minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into n plus 2 plus 1 by 3 into n plus half plus 1 by n plus 3 by 2 minus n by n plus 1. Okay, I told this formula again. I recall this formula. Recalling which formula I will recall? Therefore summation n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n minus 1 fn equals to, in 0 to infinity, ft e to the power t plus 1 dt. Here ft is equal to inverse L inverse ft. Okay, remember all formula. I hope you know this formula, that 1 by n plus t, n plus 2 is equal to fn. Okay, first term. So fn can be written L inverse Fn. Okay, Fn is this. L inverse Fn is equal to e to the power minus 2t, e to the power minus 2t. L inverse 1 by n plus half is equal to e to the power minus half t. Okay, I use this formula. I just use this formula. Number 3, L inverse 1 by n plus 3 by 2 is equal to e to the power minus 3 by 2t. And number 4, L inverse, okay, whatever I get, n plus 2, L inverse 1 by n plus 1 is equal to e to the power minus t. This is the formula of the inverse Laplace formula. Inverse Laplace formula. Okay friends, now I will write this formula. I is equal to, okay, I is equal to, I get summation, I is equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 3 minus e to the power minus 2t. Okay, minus e to the power minus 2t plus e to the power half t divided by e to the power t plus 1. Okay, this formula I apply this formula. Okay, into equals to dt. Another is plus 0 to infinity e to the power minus half t divided by e to the power t plus 1 into dt. Okay, let us take minus half t, because n plus half is equal to minus half t. Let us take e to the power minus t is equal to z. Okay, e to the power minus t is equal to z. So if I use derivative this, then I can get e to the power minus t dt is equal to dz. This I can get. Okay, so I convert it everything in this form. I is equal to 1 by 3 0 to infinity, whatever I can get z to the power half minus z square. Here it is 3 by 2, 3 by 2t. Okay, z square, whatever, everything is another I left another fact that it plus 0 to infinity e to the power, not plus, this is minus, e to the power minus t into e to the power t plus 1 dt. So I get this value 3 into z to the power 3 by 2 minus 3z divided by z plus 1 into dz. How I get? I just simplifications. I is equal to, you can write this way, e to the power minus t into 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 e to the power minus t. Okay, just e to the power minus t will just change. You can write this way. I write e to the power t converted into e to the power minus t. How? 1 plus e to the power t plus 1 can be written e to the power minus t divided by 1 plus e to the power minus t. Okay, 1 plus e to the power t can be written e to the power minus t divided by 1 plus e to the power minus t. So that's why I change this fact. And now I can get this equation, polynomial equations. Now I write z equals to t square. Z equals to t square. So I get I is equal to 2 by 3 into 0 by infinity, 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity, sorry, it is the limit will be changed. When I take e to the power minus t, then limit is 0 to 1. Okay, limit is 0 to 1, not 0 to infinity. 0 to 1 t square minus t to the power 5 plus 3 into t to the power 4 minus 3 into t cube divided by 1 plus t square into dt. Calculation is very large. After that you will divide. Okay, if I will divide this, then I can get 2 by 3 into 0 to 1 2t divided by t square plus 1, 2 divided by t square plus 1, okay, minus t cube minus 2t minus 2 minus 3t square minus t cube into dt. Okay, no problem. Again I get 2 by 3 into log t square plus 1 plus 2 into tan inverse t minus 1 by 4 t to the power 4. I can write minus 4t cube plus 4t square plus 8t into 0 to, I can write 0 to 1. Okay, no problem. Now I can write 2 by 3 log 2 plus 2 into pi by 4 minus 1 by 4 t to the power 4. If I put the value 1 minus 4 plus 4 plus 8, I get, okay friends, I get this value when I putting the upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, limit value when we will do this formula fb fx dx is equal to fa minus fb minus fa. This is the basic formula, okay, fundamental theorem of the integral calculus. Now we can get I is equal to 2 by 3 log 2 plus pi by 3, and here 4 cut, and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 2 by 3 into 9 by 4 cut, this is 2, and 3 cut 3, so minus 3 by 2. I get I is equal to 2 by 3 log 2 plus pi by 3 minus 3 by 2. So omega is equal to I write whatever I write in my class. Omega is equal to I write 1 by 6. This 1 by 6 is equal to I. 1 by 6 minus I. Omega is equal to, I get 1 by 6 minus I. So 1 by 6 minus I get 1 by 6 minus I. So I value means 2 by 3 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3 log 2. Okay, 2 by 3 log 2 plus pi by, not pi by 3, minus pi by 3 plus 3 by 2. Okay, no problem. So omega is equal to, I get 1 plus 9 divided by 6 minus 2 by 3 log 2 minus pi by 3 is equal to 10 by 6 minus 2 by 3 log 2 minus pi by 3. So I get the value is 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3 log 2 minus pi by 3. This is the answer. So omega is equal to, I write it freshly, 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3 log 2 minus pi by 3. So please clearly check all the answer. Answer is coming. This is the very large problem and large analysis. This is the answer. Large problem and large analysis. So you will check, friends, everything. This is the how can I get omega is equal to minus 1 by 6 minus 1, and main basic formula. Which formula I use? I use this formula, minus 1 to the power n fn 0 to infinity ft e to the power t dt, ft and L inverse ft. Okay, and everything you can pause and note everything. Okay, you can note everything very quickly. You can pause this and okay, I hope you write everything whatever and do not miss anything. And after that, second page. Okay, this is the first page. I have I find out a b c value partial fraction, and after that I am solving this way. I am solving. After that you get this answer. So thank you very much. Good night from India.